students. My name is Ashok Sital. In this session, we learn the two integer sum in C language. So let us start how it's sum and also learn the scanf function. So we can take the using the scanf user scan the value. So what is the use of scanf function and also the printf function, how print the value. So here this turbo we can change the particular folder to save our file, but there is window, but here is not full screen, so I take this, and we can already one lecture how to open a save your file to particular folder. So I just close this file and alter F, there is a shortcut key to open the file menu, take the new file, and then here first comment line and write this program definition, write a program. You can write here author name, creation date, time, that is possibility, and that is a document section in C language, and here double slash is a comment line. So write a program to print sum of two integer number. So that is our goal. And now is a link section, and that is hash sign, and that is also called the directive statement in C language. std stdio.h, standard input output dot h, h means header file, and then include angular bracket conio.h, console input output. Like in DOS shell, there is in file menu this screen known as a mono screen, or you can say that console screen. So here command is work, so we can exit function is there, so we can return back in turbo C++ editor, that is editor in C++, but we write the C program. Okay, now we can give the void and main function opening and closing test, that is the start of the program and that is the end of program. Okay, first we take int integer, that is keyword, and declare the integer variable in C language. So here I declare x and y, two integer, and also we have to perform the sum. So I take the z, and also here you can sum assign to 0. So sum we have to take, and then clr scr, clear the screen, is meaning of that is inbuilt function. In my previous video lecture, I can show you how to you can take the help like alter H. So help menu is open, and here index. So here we can select the CLR SCR. So there is a clear the screen, and that header file is conio.h. So that is a, you can see the help library, and just alter F fun one function key, so you can go back, and also you can close here, that is button. And now I take static value, then I can go in scanf function. So here I assign 10, then if you assign to here, like there is a sum equal to 0, so we can, here one error is giving. Okay, let us check, and sum equal to x plus y. And first, how to printf function work to print our value with message, like the sum is, okay, and percentage formatting symbol, that is D in double quotes, and then sum comma. So sum, there is a one, that is called in double quote one argument, comma, then that is sum is second argument, and then give the get ch to see our output. So that is get ch waiting for one character from accepting one character, but that not echo, so we can use that as print to see our output. Okay, here we can save our file in turbo uh, turbo C3 in bin folder, that is default, and there is, in this editor there is no chance we can change to our particular folder. So here drive list is not there, so we can save the default and then cut and copy to our particular folder, like C F drive, my folder is C language. Okay, so here I just sum.c give the file name, So now let us check. So there is no error. So here uh, that statement, there is a, if we here I give you idea, uh, here I can declare, that is called declaration statement, and then equal to 0, that is a initialization statement. But we can both in same place here, like with the 0, so that known as a compound assignment operator, compound statement, you can say that here is a compound statement. So both declaration and initialization in one place, that is a compound statement in the C language. So here X and Y is a declaration statement, then here initialization, that is that statement X and Y is called the declaration statement, and here is initialization. So if we can possible, like here we declare an initialization, that is known as the initialization, declaration and initialization one place, so that is compound statement. But we can in C language we cannot declare here one error is given, declaration is not allowed here. So in C++, that file is saved. We can save that there is error is not appear, because C you can declare any place to your variable in C++, but here is no chance in C language. So we can just declare and then initialization. But here we can assign just 0, that is possible. By default, in every variable taking the garbage value, if you know not assign, like this sum is 0, so that is a garbage value in that cell in the memory. And integer data type hold 2 bytes in C language. So I just compile. I can previously my video lecture say the compile is F9 function key short. I just press F9. So here some exe is generated, executable file, and dot, then that is known as extension of that file. And here execution file is ready, and there is no any error. And now I control F9, we can run our program. So sum is 30 is print. So here first we can take the how printf function print our value, variable value. So here the sum is giving the message, and then colon sign to separation of the message, and %d for decimal, and sum is a integer variable print. In case I remove this 0 to initialize sum, and now we can compile and let us check. So that is time not any hurdles, but when we can print, like here I just print and show you what is a garbage value in C language. So here we just testing sum is, okay, and like I %d, and then here I sum is print, and I here in this statement I take the slash, and so that message coming to new line. Slash is a black slash character constant providing the new line. Okay, so there is no error, but you can watch in sum is 870, that is garbage value. So you can not assign to any before after print that variable in C language, that is a hold the garbage value. So that is known as garbage. If you provide here just 0, so and let us check, so the print is 0, so that is a better programming. So I just comment line, and that is a single, I can also refer single comment line, double slash is a single comment line, and I provide like slash asterisk, and I can provide like here I close slash asterisk slash, that is a multi-line comment line in C language. So I just give the example. We have to not put this line. Okay, now this statement I can remove, and now that is a static sum. How provide the dynamic means taking from user side. So I just remove this statement, or here I provide just comment line. So you can recognize here I give multi comment line slash asterisk, and I close here two statements, so that is multi-line, and in double slash there is a single line comment line. So in this program there are 3 sections, there are 6 sections in C language, like link section, document section, link section, global declaration section, definition section, main section, and then sub-program section. And sub-program section also known as a UDF in C language, user-defined function. So in this example, there is three sections. Document section, that is called document. You can write author name, definition, date and time, creation of that program, that type of writing in document section. Then link section, you can bind up your header file. Include is a directory statement. And then third, directly fifth section. In between there is two sections, global declaration and definition section. We can directly take main function section. And main section, there is two sub part, declaration statement and executable statement. Okay, so that is all of the C programming. And now I printf, there are two use. You can also give the message and also print the variable value. So let us we give the message enter x value. Okay, so there is our message and a semicolon. Now scanf function we have to use, taking the value from user. So here %d and ampersand, that is address of this location. So compiler give the x and y, that is address we can take here, otherwise it is taking the garbage value. So that is the syntax of scanf. And after I just control insert, that is a copy, and then shift insert, that is a paste. So in edit menu I can option shortcut key, like here I first copy, then control insert, and then paste, that is shift insert. So there is a, you can also use, but some practice after you have to use. Okay, so now here I give the y, and then I can change here y. So our work is complete. So we can suitable provide the message. So now there is two use printf function. First you can give the message, and second use you can print message plus variable value. So I can say that printf function is a overloaded. Overloaded means you can take one argument. There is a one argument here. You can see there is a one argument. Okay, and here in this printf function there is two arguments. One, and after comma is operator, and then second variable sum. And scanf function, the now taking syntax, first scanf function, and in double quote give the formatting, like %c is a character data type, %d is a integer data type, %f is a float data type, and %lf, that is a long. And if long double, then capital percentage capital LF. So that is a all formatting symbol. In my previous demo lecture I cover all data types and their formatting symbol, so you can watch this video. Okay, now our program is ready, and compile and just run. So taking, that is provide the value like 10 and 20. So 30 is some. Now again I program run, so you can provide like different value, like give the 9 and like 6, so 15 is answer. So this program is taking the any value provided by the user. So that is the use of scanf function. So I hope you can understand. So that is our goal. And in this program, you can learn what is a garbage value, how to provide a single line comment and multi-line comment line. And then I taking the static sum, and then dynamic, we can say that, taking the user side and then provide the sum. And also here we can remove the sum variable, that is last point I covered. If you in case not taking this sum, so how we can print our sum? So that is also possibility. I just comment this line, and here I directly parenthesis x plus y. So there is no any error. Let us check. And now I can again give the 20 and 10 and 20. So there is no any error. Like I can give different value, like any value. So like 8, then enter key, and like you can give the 7. So there is no problem. 50. So we can remove. In good programmer is a sign. You can first try the less the variable, then less your statement, then less your decision statement, then less your loop. So that is a good programmer sign. So here we can remove, I can say that one variable and one statement. So here I can remove the sum variable, and here that sum is one statement, that is I comment line, and here I just directly x plus y. So in inner bracket first process, so that is plus x plus y sum is there, and then that the printf function. So directly we cannot take the sum. So I hope you can understand uh, so many simple things in C programming to develop your logic. Okay, so in my upcoming lecture, I take the number of other operator. Here I plus is a arithmetic. You can after that complete this video lecture, you can implement like this is a addition. We can say that summation or addition after subtraction minus sign is there. So like I list out just for you. Uh, that is a plus, that is addition. Then we can take okay, I write just as a board, so I you can understand very well. So there is a, I just write here plus is we can use, then you can use the minus sign, then asterisk is a multiplication, slash is a division, and then module. So you can take to yourself, create your example. I just as a board to understand to you how it's arithmetic. So there are 5 arithmetic operators: plus, addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, and module division. Reminder we have to give, so that is module division. So I hope you can understand and how last time I run this program in taking the different value like 40 and 20. So 50 is answer. So I hope you can understand basics thing of the C language. Okay, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Academy and press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture. Okay, Hare Krishna.